Good morning children, welcome to the online class. Today theorem 10.6 equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. So equal chords of a circle are equidistant from center. So here this is the circle, this is the circle, this is the center O, this is the center O. So equal chords means so this is the AB one chord and CD also one chord. CD also one chord. These two chords are equal. So here chords AB equal to CD. This is given. So equal chords are equidistant from the center. So equal chords are, so here draw the perpendicular. This is the M, AM and OM and ON. So here OM equal to ON, OM equal to ON. So this is the statement here. So equal chords they are maintained the equal distance from the center. So here OM equal to ON, OM equal to ON, OM equal to ON. Equal chords are they are equidistant from the center. Equal chords AB and CD they are these two are equal. These two are the same, maintain the same distance. OM equal to ON. So this is the theorem 10.6. So no need to prove. Theorem 10.7 chords equidistant from the center of a circle are equal in length. So theorem 10.7 says that the two chords, this is the circle, this is the center. So this is the one chord, this is the another chord. So here these two chords are equidistant from the center. So here this is the AB, this is the CD. These two chords are equidistant from the center. This is the perpendicular M, this is the N. So here these two chords are equidistant from the center. That means OM equal to ON, OM equal to ON. They are equal in length. They are equal in length. These two chords are equidistant from the center. They are equal in length. So they are equal means here. So here AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. First you have to understand this one. OM equal to ON. They are equidistant from the center. They are also equal in length. Their chords are equal in length. So this is the theorem 10.7. No need to do any proof. Exercise 10.4. Exercise 10.4. Question number 1. Here two circles of radii 5 cm and 3 cm intersect at 2 points and the distance between their centers is 4 cm. Find the length of the common chord. Find the length of the common chord. Two circles are of radii 5 cm. One circle radius 5 cm. Another circle centimeter radius is 3 cm. These two circles are intersect at 2 points. So the distance between their centers is 4 cm. So here this is the one circle. This radius is 5 cm and this is the another circle. This radius is 3 cm. These two circles are intersect at 2 points. this is the center O1, this center is O2. These two circles are intersect two points. The points are here P and Q. Points are PQ. The distance also given. The distance between two centers is given, that is 4 centimeter. The distance is 4 centimeter. So here we need to find length of common chord. The length of common chord. This is the common chord of these two circles. This is the length of. This is the common chord of these two circles. So here given that this is the this radius is 5 centimeter. So this radius is 3 centimeter. This is the 3 centimeter. This is the 5 centimeter. So these are the given values. So we have to find the length of the common chord. We have to find the length of the common chord. First, what are the given? We have to write. So what are the given? First one. So here, let O1, O2 are the centers of circles. This is the given, and centers of circles. So PQ is the common chord. PQ is the common chord. So here O and O dash equal to 4 centimeter. O dash equal to 4 centimeter. So here O dash equal to 5 centimeter. O1 and O2 is equal to 4 centimeter, and O1P equal to 5 centimeter, and O2P equal to 3 centimeter. Now join O1P and O2Q. So these are the given. We know that. So here a line passing through the two center of the circles. A line, as we know that a line passing through the two center of the circles. So this is a line, this line. So here this is the given 4 centimeter is given. This is 4 centimeter. A line passing through the two center of the circles. This line can be divided the common chord. Perpendicular bisect. This line is this O dash is perpendicular bisector of PQ. So we know that a line passing through the center of the circles. A line passing through the center of the circles. So line perpendicular bisect the common chord. Bisect the common chord. This line can be perpendicular bisect the common chord. So here this is the common chord of this is the common chord. So O1, O2, this line is perpendicular bisect the common chord PQ. Common chord PQ. You can take a letter T. So here perpendicular bisect means so this is the 90 degrees. This also 90 degrees. This is the 90 degrees. This also 90 degrees. So bisect here PT equal to QT. PT equal to QT. So here this means PT equal to, so here PT equal to QT. PT equal to QT. So here this is the perpendicular bisect, the common chord. Here PT equal to QT. So come to first we have to take this triangle, again take this triangle. So here let the distance between O1 to T is x, then O1 O2 equal to 4 centimeter. So here O1 O2 distance, this is the 4 centimeter. So here O1T equal to x centimeter, then O2T equal to this complete distance is, so here O1 to O2 equal to 4 centimeter. This is T. This is T. So this is x. This can be 4 minus x. This can be 4 minus x. So here this is, so here O2T equal to 4 minus x. 4 minus x. Because of this complete distance equal to 4 centimeter, this complete distance equal to 4 centimeter, this complete, then this distance equal to 4 minus x centimeter. 4 minus x centimeter. So now take the triangle. So this is the right angle triangle. This is the right angle. So PTO1. So here triangle PTO1 in triangle PTO1. So this is the right angle triangle. So here O1 P square equal to PT square plus TO1 square TO1 square. So in right angle triangle, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. So here you know that you can write like this also. So O1 T square. So here OP1 square equal to, we know that the distance between these two equal to 5 centimeter. That is 5 square equal to, this is, we don't know the distance, that is PT square. So the distance, this distance equal to, we know, that is x centimeter. That is x centimeter. So that is x square. That is x square. So here PT square equal to here 5 square minus x square. 5 square minus x square. Here PT square equal to 25 minus x square. This is the equation number 1. This is the equation number 1. So come to the here. Come to the this triangle. Come to the this triangle. What is the triangle here? What is the triangle here? So here triangle. Here we are taking here PTQ1. Here PT in triangle PTO2. This also right angle triangle. This also right angle. Then in this triangle here. So here O2 P square equal to O2 P square. This is the hypotenuse. O2 P square equal to PT square plus O2 T square. O2 T square. This also Pythagoras theorem. So here O2 P square equal to, this is 3 square. So this is the PT square. This is the PT square. O2 T square. So here O2 T equal to 4 minus x. O2 T equal to 4 minus x. So here plus 4 minus x whole square. 4 minus x whole square. So here take out common here PT square. So this side PT square equal to 3 square minus 4 minus x whole square. 4 minus x whole square and pt square equal to, this is 9, 4 minus x whole square. 9 minus 4 minus x whole square. This is the equation 2. This is the equation 2. From 1 and 2, though both are pt square only. So here pt square equal to 2 here. So here 25 minus x square equal to 9 minus 4 minus x whole square. So here both are pt square. Pt square equal to pt square. From 1 and 2, pt square here 25 minus x square equal to 9 minus of here a minus b whole square. So this is the 4 square plus x square minus 3ab. 2 into 4 8x. So here before bracket before the minus all symbols are changed here. 25 minus x square equal to 9 minus 4 square. Here 4 square equal to 16 minus 16 minus x square plus 8x. So here both sides here x square cancel. Here 16 plus 8x equal to, this is 25. This is 25. Here 16 plus 8x equal to 25. So here 9 also is there. Here 9 minus 16 plus 8x. So 9 minus 16 equal to 7. So 25 minus 7 plus 8x. So send this side. So 25 plus 7 equal to 8x. Here 32 equal to 8x, you can write like this also here. 8x equal to 32, x equal to 32 by 4, 32 by 8, 8 ones, 8 fours, x equal to 8. So what is the x here? The distance between, so here x is the distance between, here this is x value equal to 8, x value equal to 8. So this x equal to 4 centimeter, 4 here, 4 centimeter. So here what is the x here? The distance between this point to O1t equal to x. So here O1t equal to 4 centimeter, then O2t equal to 4 minus x. 4 minus x. So here O2t equal to, that is 0. 4 minus x means 4 minus 4 equal to, that is 0. So here the center O2 is here, this is 0 centimeter. This distance is 0 centimeter. Then we can say that, so here the center is coincide the point T. Here O2t equal to 0. O2t equal to 0 centimeter. So then here the center is here, 0 nothing but this distance equal to 0. So here only, the center is here only. So here the center O2 is coincide T. Coincide T. So here this distance is 0. That's why O2 is coincide T. Hence, now take a triangle. These two are coinciding. This is a diagram like this. This diagram like this. So these 2 points are, so here this point, 2 points are coincide. Then O to T. So here diagram you can like this diagram. So this is the, so here the second circle center and this point perpendicular. This point both are coincide. So come now we have to find the length of common chord. The length of common chord here you can find. The length of common chord here triangle in triangle PTO dash PTO1. So here then PT square equal to O1 T square minus O1 T square. So here then this is the, then OT equal to 4 centimeter. So here PT square equal to 5 square minus 4 square. This is given 4 centimeter. So PT square equal to 25 minus 16. PT square equal to 9. PT equal to square root of 9, that is equal to 3 centimeters. So here PT equal to 3 centimeter, QT also 3 centimeters. So this line is perpendicular bisect the common chord. Here PT equal to 3 centimeter and QT also 3 centimeter. QT also 3 centimeter. So here the length of common chord equal to length of chord PQ equal to PT plus QT. PT plus QT. So here this is equal to 3 centimeter plus 3 centimeter. This is equal to 6 centimeter. So this is the length of common chord. So this is the solution of problem question number 1, 10.4. We thank you children. We will meet next session. Today homework is practice this problem 2 times. Thank you.